Next up, we have our warm climate zones. We have tropical right at the equator, so we're going just above and below that equator line. So still very warm. Not going to expect snow probably anytime soon there, but they will get colder in their winter season. So like a Mediterranean climate is something that can be expected there. Sometimes deserts are warm climates. Like swampy areas can be there. So lots of stuff, some things we might recognize. So warm climate. So draw me an example of a warm climate. So these are kind of like olive trees, I think, kind of grow in warm climates there. So you can see, right, it's not like as green as that tropical climate we saw. Swampy area is, but like you can tell, it's different, okay? So give me an example of a warm climate in your example box there. And then let's go talk about how does the sun compare to the earth light. So here you're going to draw your sun and your earth. And our warm area is kind of right above the equator. So it's going across here. And our sunlight, right, is coming here. So you can see, right, it has to kind of go at this angle. So it's close to direct, but it's not as straight up and down as that equator area. So if I measure this angle, it is about 120 degrees. So it's having to spread, right? So it went from 90 to 30. So at 120, it had to spread about 30 degrees to spread out that light. So it's close to direct, but it had to spread it out a little so it's not as warm as that tropical area. So make sure you draw me your earth, show me where a warm climate zone would be, and how would the sun hit that earth, and what is it? Close to direct. So let's go look at our warm climate zone fun facts. So they get 9 to 15 hours of daylight per day. So it can vary depending on, are they tipped toward the equator toward the sun during their summer, or are they tipped away during their winter? They'll get less and more sunlight. They get a lot of rain in this area, 50, 60 inches of rain per year. And this is a place where gardens grow best because they can grow pretty much all year round. So there you go. There is a fun fact for you. So get your warm climate zone done with your example picture, your model of how the sunlight hits the earth at the warm climate zone, and a fun fact.